Welcome to the Crown Inn in Coniston. Wow, it's changed a lot since the last time I've been here. We better do a compulsory room tour, I think. Where should we start? With the bathroom? Why not? It is stunning.
Wow!
Big shower, definitely needed. I wanted a bath though, but oh well. Loo, obviously. Sink. Good little touch there. If you need a shaving kit or a dental kit, please ask team member down on reception. Some hand wash and hand and body lotion. Conditioner and shampoo. Don't really need that. But yeah, so it's quite a big hallway. Some coat hooks. Obviously, do not disturb, and please clean the room. I thought I'd do the video now before it gets messed up. But as you can see, nice big bed. Looks pretty comfy. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, that's not too bad actually. I like a firm bed, to be fair. Compulsory biscuits, a good selection of biscuits, coffee, tea, sugar. There's a coffee espresso machine here, which is good. You have one of those bad boys after. Aircon, a little booklet about the area, I suppose. Safe, yep, definitely needed the safe. Some extra pillows and stuff. Do like the artwork. I think that's Coniston. That bit there. Could be wrong, but it is. I think it is. But yeah, some nice artwork there. Do like that. Do like that. Nice big telly, which is good. Quite a nice view out of the window. Yep. Look in the car park and downstairs under the hills over the background. But yeah, the bedroom, it looks comfy though, the bed, I gotta say. Right, that's the room tour done. Now I'm gonna have a little of a walk down to the village, suss it all out, maybe get some fish and chips. Yeah, so that's the Crown Inn in Coniston. I've been here, 4 times now. Last time was before lockdown, and they've had a massive refurb, completely changed it around. The bar and the restaurant looks completely different. It's all switched around, and apparently they spent 1.4 million. It looks incredible, amazing.